No, don't pick him up. Don't pick him up, Ayla.
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
Good, good picture. That turned out really good. You want to tickle baby again?
Cheese, please.
Do you want to tickle baby again?
Okay. I want to take a baby again.
Remember, tickle, not pull him. Tickle, tickle to baby.
Tickle, tickle.
He laughs when you do it. Go ahead, play with him.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Geez, Ayla, that looks so rough. You were doing it so good earlier. I'm sorry, buddy. Sit down, Ayla. Maybe if you sit down, you'll be gentle, more gentle. Are you okay?